Welcome to the Lego Gallery. Hi, I'm Claire Boyette and I'm here with my brother Paul Boyette, and today he's going to show us how he made this awesome creation. I believe it is a boat, and you can kind of see this part, possibly like a little GPS or something, and he has these things. Do you have any lifeboats?
Well, no, but this is designed to carry heavy, very, very, very heavy things.
So it's not a ship people might go on a trip on?
Well, not literally like a long trip. They could go maybe a few miles across the country, but not very long.
Yeah, but what the Titanic? Do you travel in summer where there aren't any icebergs or things you can crash into?
Well, this boat is kind of made of metal, so it's kind of hard to break with ice.
Well, so was the Titanic.
Yes, but it's a really, really, really strong piece of metal. I got a solid ice cube and banged it on that, and it did not break.
So in Lego City, these characters actually traveled on a ship?
Yes, but I kind of got this clear head. I'll show you it. This clear head from another Lego set. And you just need 2 of these little snake helmets. And you get those in the Ninjago set. Well, they come separate. So, one is from Kapow and the other I forgot the name of.
Okay, so has this been to Legoland? Has this been on display in Legoland? Have they had what's the word? Little games or things for this creation?
Not yet, but yes, they are gonna put that up in a week.
In there. Ooh, in a week. So travel to Lego City. Now, this is another creation. We're going to tell each other how we made these in a minute. This is a helicopter. It actually spins. And how did I make this spin? Well, I made this propeller. It can't spin without this thing. This thing is just a regular square flat Lego, and it has this little circle thing inside that you can spin, and when you hook the propeller to it, it spins. Now, you kind of want to hook it to something a little high so it doesn't hit anything. We have a window. This
right here.
Yes.
It moves.
It actually opens and closes.
Yes.
Comes from a Lego set. I really think y'all should get some Lego sets if you can't go to Lego City, because Legos are so awesome. See, this is from a different set, the colorfuls. And these dark ones are from another set. Now, Paul, now we're going to see how we make these. How did you make this?
Well, I got it from the Adventure Pack. It's from another set, though. So, it kind of goes kind of at the back of the boat, at the back of the ship, if it was on the adventure ship. But on this one, it goes on the sides. So, these are
to help propel?
Yes. So, in a case they just want to get somewhere really fast, they can use those.
Kind of like
and
a jetpack?
And they actually spin. Yes,
kind of like a
jetpack. Just not
jetpack.
Yeah. Now these
Well,
ones.
tell us how you made it.
Well, I've got the adventure set, of course. And there were these things in it. But before they were like this, with the actually propeller on it that spins,
You have to hook it on.
you had to hook this on.
You have to have a special kind of Lego piece. It's like a
it's
regular
kinda
Lego, but it has this little part on it. And you can stick all different kinds of things onto it to make it spin.
Oh, us.
Okay, now.
And if you get one of these, it comes in a Ninja Turtle set. Now, it's a certain thing. There's a certain box. It has a shredder mobile. It's a little motorcycle for shredder. This is a shredder mask right here. So, you can see at the front, it kind of has a little opening so you can see out of it.
The eyes and things.
Yes, and here is an eye, is a mouth patch.
Mr. Paul, we're asking how you made the boat. These pieces and things are pre-made, but this boat isn't. So how did you make the boat?
Well, the boat, first, you need little flat things that kind of like go in a triangle, but at the tip down here, it's not exactly a triangle.
Sort of like a hexagon.
Yeah.
I mean, a trapezoid.
Yeah, so at the top it goes straight, then curves down, then bottom straight.
So you'll need this piece to make this shape of a boat. And he says you'll need two to make it to the triangle part. So I repeat, two of these. And what set can you get those things in?
Well, I just found them. I do not know which
Adventure set?
Yes, adventure set. I forgot. Thank you.
Okay, so it looks like he has some of these pieces too. It looks like they probably came with the adventure set too with this piece because it's kind of like the shape thing.
So you need kind of 3 of these to make it tall, but you can make it a certain height. So if I were to take this off, top one off, it would be lower. But if I took that one off, it would be much lower. But if I put this one on, it's higher.
Okay, so y'all saw it, and y'all can always come back to this video and see a little more how to make this. He showed you many things you might need to make this, and it's in the adventure set. Now we're going to move on to this helicopter. I have many different sets. I have the adventure set, or these dark ones, the black and the gray. I also have a Ninja Turtle set for the red and the dark gray. Some of the brown. And then lots of other different sets. Like there's a little girl set where you can have some pink, some green, light pink, yellow. And then how I made this, you have to have a flat piece. It doesn't exactly matter what size, but if you're going to put something in it, you want to have a certain size so that a certain thing can fit in it. And then you need to make some sides. If you have a little window, you can build up as high as you want and then divide like that. And if you want, you can come back, but I decided not to. And then I have this little window. I'm not sure what set it came from, but we have it. Oh, and here's the adventure set. Your Legos will come in this awesome shark thing that you can use to store your Legos. hollow, so kind of like a container. And then the shark, so you can use this to play with.
And you can find it really easily
On the adventure set.
Probably at Legoland or someplace that sells Legos.
Target, Walmart.
Yes.
Places like that.
And you can tell if it's the right kind from this little thing. It says Adventures. And this thing is the symbol of a compass. So kind of there, the spiky thing. And the trees, that's in a forest. So they're adventuring in a forest.
All right, thank you very much, Paul. As I was saying, you'll need to make some sides and a back, possibly, if you want a door, but I didn't get time. And then I had some top, so 2 flat pieces connected to these little pillars, and then I connected them. Then I hooked the propeller to it. So remember, you can always build something in your head with Legos. Thank you for watching, and this is the Lego Gallery.